Yo, what's up, fam? It's your boy Gnana, and yeah, this right here, this my baby version, no cap. But let's get straight to it. I've been messing with Google Veo 3 for the past month, just trying to see what this thing can really do. At first, I ain't gonna lie, I had no clue what I was doing, so I went wild with it. Tried a little bit of everything. I do Amazon, I'm on TikTok heavy, do affiliate too, plus I mentor folks. Now I'm trying to build a YouTube automation channel on top of that. I'm from Sri Lanka, so I even tested some dope stuff about our culture, history, and threw in some Western vibes too. Just experimenting, trying to push Veo to the limits. Now I'm on month 2, and I finally got a grip on what this tool can pull off. So I figured, let me drop this vid to show y'all what's possible. Watch the full thing, don't skip. There's a whole mix of styles, vibes, and creative sauce in here. And yo, if you want the prompts I used, comment prompt below. If we hit 1,000 comments, I got y'all with a full breakdown in the next vid. So tap in, enjoy the ride, and if you rockin' with AI video tools like this, hit that subscribe cause I got plenty more heat coming on Veo 3 and other tools too. Peace.
Feeling like your cellular energy is running on empty?
Content not stopping the scroll? Let's create something that stops traffic.
By week 2, you're supporting your body against inflammation and promoting a healthy balance from the inside out.
Interested in AI-powered videos for your business? Connect with Navi.labs. The future of content creation is here. Stay ahead of the curve.
Have you tried this one yet?
A king begs for loyalty. I demand it. I am Kadungon Pandyan, the name that silences thrones.
Let me tell you a secret, guys. Oru skill, oru income threadda, adutha nama bills pay pannum. Ana multiple skills, multiple incomes than nama wealth create pannum.
Weightless, fearless. From the streets to the clouds, this is how we move through the world.
Yo, stop what you're doing. You ever had chocolate that tastes like a straight-up Middle Eastern dessert dream? This right here, Dubai chocolate, yeah? That kunafa and pistachio combo?
This is Iceland, 10 o'clock at night, came for the sunset.
To climb the highest peaks, you need the mountain's core. I am Yeti, and I come from the Himalayas, so you know this is the real deal.
Okay, but this dress, she's the moment. Floral print, dainty chain detail, that split thigh. Add to cart before it sells out, bro. You'll thank me later.
Check out these denim shorts. They're super comfortable and perfect for summer.
Our scouts report increased Chola activity along this southern passage, Your Majesty.
அப்புறம் என்ன சொல்லுது மத்தே? Okay, better than croquet, but that's fire. You Sri Lankans are playing a dangerous game.
What's up, Tamil business owner? If you need a video like this for your business, you know where to find me. And also guys, you can share this video with your business buddy.
Dreams of flavor, dreams of delight.
Full kiss. Step 2. Return to the present moment. Confine yourself to the present. Forget the past and you keep feeling anxious. A Roman emperor has a 2,000-year-old solution. Here's how to conquer anxiety in 3 simple steps.
My Roman Empire is my assignments. My Amma's Roman Empire is the price of gold. My Appa's Roman Empire? Worrying